Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is where I'll be sharing my reviews on all kinds of amazing products you can find on Aliexpress and Amazon. I will be going through tons of listings to bring you the best deals on great quality items. So if you're looking for inexpensive but quality items online, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Don't forget to click the bell. The Dynamic Car Hood LED strip is your ticket to making your vehicle stand out like never before. These neon lights illuminate your hood with a captivating glow. Easily attach this sleek and vibrant strip to your car's hood for an instant dynamic light show. Choose from various colors and dynamic modes to customize your car's style. Installation is a breeze and the impact on your car's aesthetics is undeniable. Make your car look cooler and safeguard your wheels with wheel rim protectors guards. Easily install them on your wheels with a hammer hit for instant protection. These practical strips have a sporty appearance and shield your rims from scratches. For a seamless setup, visit a professional auto repair shop. Get yours now on Aliexpress and Amazon for a stunning look and wheel protection with easy installation. Experience unparalleled safety with the Escort Redline 360C laser radar detection, boasting an extreme detection range. It spots threats from afar, giving you ample time to react. Its red zone protection is your shield against the most scrutinized areas, ensuring you stay under the radar. 360-degree coverage, this device watches over you from every direction, offering complete peace of mind on every journey. Drive with confidence, knowing you're protected the best. Introducing the ultimate space saver for your tech lifestyle, rotatable and retractable phone holder. This innovative gadget offers a seamless blend of functionality and style, designed to enhance your digital experience. With its 360-degree rotation and adjustable length, it promises optimal viewing angles and a clutter-free setup. Perfect for multitasking enthusiasts, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, ensuring your tech is always within reach. Looking to add a splash of color to your car's interior? The LED car cup holder lights offer a simple yet transformative solution. Waterproof and powered by USB, these lights allow for a personalized touch with various colors and modes. Installation is a breeze, and the result? A driving experience that feels both unique and inviting, turning every trip into an illuminated adventure. Unleash your car's true shine with the SPTA Cordless Car Polisher. This compact, powerful tool effortlessly removes scratches and swells, bringing a professional-grade polish right to your garage. Its cordless design ensures freedom of movement, while the variable speed settings cater to all your detailing needs. Perfect for enthusiasts and detailers alike, it promises a flawless finish without the hassle. Experience the joy of a beautifully polished vehicle. Elevate your adventure with the Bongo double-layer tailgate table, a robust companion for your Ford Bronco. This foldable cargo shelf, crafted from durable alloy and carbon steel, transforms your tailgate into a versatile workspace or picnic spot. Its MOLLE system allows for organized storage of tools and gear, ensuring everything you need is within reach. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, making it a perfect upgrade for off-road excursions. Looking for peace of mind while parking your car? The car steering wheel lock, made from high-grade steel, stands as a robust barrier against theft. Its universal fit promises compatibility with most vehicles, and the easy-to-use mechanism ensures your car's safety is never a hassle. Experience the blend of durability and simplicity, offering you not just security, but also the confidence to park anywhere, anytime. Tired of clutter in your car? The Coverado Car Center console is here to tidy up your ride. This universal rear bench seat console transforms your backseat into an organized haven with a cup holder and phone holder, ensuring everything has its place. Crafted from durable PVC and ABS with a soft, easy-to-clean cover, it's designed to fit most car models. Say goodbye to mess with this sleek functional accessory.